Dubai's real estate scene is like something out of a futuristic dream. The skyline is a jaw-dropping display of architectural prowess, with buildings that seem to touch the sky. From the towering Burj Khalifa to the stunning villas on Palm Jumeirah, it's a city that knows how to do luxury. During my recent trip, I got the opportunity to stay in an incredible Airbnb in downtown Dubai. The place was pure indulgence, with views of the famous fountain show and across downtown. It had all the modern comforts you could dream of, and you want to know the best part? It was totally affordable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this incredible Airbnb, and make sure to wait until the end where I share how much this cost me. Good morning everyone, I'm currently here in Dubai, staying in a gorgeous Airbnb here in downtown Dubai. Now for full transparency, I did receive a discounted stay on this property in exchange for some content, but I'm going to be doing a full tour of this Airbnb and showing you just how amazing it is. So yeah, let's start the tour. So you come in from the door, and on your left, we have a washing machine and dryer. And then as we head into the bathroom, we've got a bath, shower, toilet and sink. And then we head straight into the bedroom. Double bed, master bedroom, so much storage space here. Got my suitcase and stuff down there for now, but so much storage space over here. And then one of my favourite parts of the Airbnb is this gorgeous view across downtown from the bedroom. We've got the Burj Khalifa just around the corner here, which is amazing. Then we head back out into the living area, and then we've got the kitchen area here, which again, incredibly spacious. There was free tea and coffee when I arrived, and also a drink on arrival. I requested some Fanta, that's my burrito bowl from last night. But yeah, really spacious fridge, very spacious kitchen in general, and you know, all the amenities here, you know, for your stay, cleaning products, like I said, tea, coffee, things like that. So yeah, if anything, honestly, the main thing I would say with this property is it just ticks all the boxes for a tourist coming to stay here in the city, whether it be for a night, whether it be for a longer stay if you're coming to work here perhaps. So yeah, in my view, it ticks all the boxes, and yeah, let's show you around the rest of the property. What I love most about this Airbnb is just how spacious it is. I mean, look, this is the living area here. We've got the seated area here. We've got 4 lovely chairs to have some dinner or sort of have some drinks in the evening. We've got the sofa here with the TV. And then look at this incredible view here, all the way to the other residences here. You can see the swimming pools. We are incredibly high up, which I personally really love. It means you have the best view. And then look at the view across here. Absolutely amazing. And then as we head outside, I mean, I feel like I don't need to say anything to really, I guess, describe just how amazing it is. You can just see behind me, you've got the view of the fountains over here. We've got the views across downtown Dubai. Like I mentioned, we are so high up here in this building, so it gives you the best views across downtown. I absolutely love downtown Dubai, so when I found this Airbnb, it was just perfect. And then we've got the seated area here, so we've got a seat here and a seat where I'm sat here, and last night I was enjoying the view across the fountains, the view across downtown. And now I've woken up this morning, the sun is shining, and I've just been sitting here eating my breakfast. So yeah, another fantastic element of the property. Like I keep saying, it does really, for me, tick all boxes. It's spacious, it's got a balcony, lovely sort of outside area with views across the souk, across downtown, across to the Dubai Mall. The bedroom is spacious. There's obviously a really nice bathroom, spacious kitchen, you know, lots of natural light, all the things that you really, really want here in Dubai, this Airbnb has. So yeah, I'm gonna sit, enjoy the view before I check out, and yeah, thankfully it's a nice sunny day in Dubai as well. It was a bit cloudy yesterday, so I thought I'll wait until this morning to film and hope that there's better weather, and there has been. So yeah, just gonna enjoy the sunshine. Yeah, it's been so much fun staying here. I've only been here for one night, just a one-night stay, but I will definitely be booking another stay here when I come back to Dubai. So yeah, I guess you're all sort of maybe waited until the end of the video to find out how much this has cost. So as I mentioned earlier, I have received a discounted stay in exchange for some content, but I paid a grand total of £155 for a one-night stay here, which I think is a bargain, honestly an absolute bargain for the location, for the views, for the spaciousness of the property. I think it's 100% worth it. So if you would like to book this Airbnb, I'll pop a link in the description and you can go and check it out. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you've all enjoyed this tour of this beautiful Airbnb here in downtown Dubai. If you've got any questions or any sort of comments about this this property, let me know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you very soon for another video.